Planning a camping trip, a reliable stove makes all the difference. Discover the best camp stove for car camping, ensuring easy cooking, efficiency, and convenience for your next outdoor adventure. Number 1. Coleman Triton Camp Stove. When it comes to outdoor cooking, the Coleman Triton Camp Stove stands out as a reliable and efficient choice. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or simply cooking by the roadside, this portable stove ensures a hassle-free experience. Designed with user convenience in mind, it features 2 independently adjustable burners that allow for precise temperature control. Whether you need a gentle simmer or high heat for quick boiling, the improved knob rotation ensures optimal performance. The stove delivers an impressive 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, making it a powerhouse for outdoor meals. One of the most appreciated features of the Coleman Triton Camp Stove is its 2 wind guards. These shields help protect the burners from wind, ensuring that your flames remain steady even in breezy conditions. The heavy-duty latch is another noteworthy addition, keeping the stove securely closed when not in use, making transportation and storage effortless. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze thanks to the durable chrome-plated grate that is removable for easy maintenance. Size is a crucial factor in outdoor stoves, and this model accommodates both 12-inch and 10-inch pans with ease. It runs on a 16-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately, and can operate for up to an hour on high, providing sufficient cooking time for meals. Whether you're frying, boiling, or simmering, the Coleman Triton Camp Stove is a dependable companion for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 2. Push Button Camp Stove. For those who prioritize convenience and reliability in outdoor cooking, the push-button camp stove is a top-tier option. Its built-in handle makes transportation effortless, while the heavy-duty latch ensures the stove stays securely closed when not in use. Designed with perfect flow and perfect heat technology, this stove delivers a consistent flame and maximizes fuel efficiency. The 2 independently adjustable burners allow for precise temperature control, catering to a variety of cooking needs. One of the standout features is its push-button Insta-Start ignition, which eliminates the need for matches and provides quick, hassle-free lighting. The dual wind guards are a thoughtful addition, shielding the burners from wind interference and ensuring uninterrupted cooking. Constructed with rust-resistant aluminized steel and featuring a removable chrome-plated grate, cleaning and maintenance are incredibly simple. The stove is compact yet powerful, accommodating both 12-inch and 10-inch pans comfortably. With 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, it delivers high-performance heating for any meal. A single 16-ounce propane cylinder powers the stove for up to an hour on high, making it a dependable choice for outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or setting up a roadside meal, the push-button camp stove is designed for efficiency and durability. Number 3. Cofiyard Camp Stove. Designed for campers who value both portability and efficiency, the Cofiyard Camp Stove boasts a unique hexagonal symmetrical design that folds down neatly for compact storage. It fits effortlessly into the included carry bag, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. Despite its small footprint, this stove is perfect for family cooking, with well-designed spacing that accommodates 2 8-inch frying pans comfortably. The double burner design adds to the versatility of this camp stove, allowing users to cook multiple items simultaneously. Whether you're brewing coffee on one side or frying food on the other, the independent control knobs ensure precision heat adjustment. With a total output of 17,000 BTUs, it delivers enough power for various culinary needs. From simmering to high heat searing, the precise heat control also ensures that propane lasts longer, making it a fuel-efficient choice for campers. This outdoor backpacking stove is designed for convenience. When folded, it measures just 9.5 inches by 9 inches by 4.6 inches, making it small enough to fit inside a backpack. It is ideal for different types of outdoor adventures, including backpacking, winter camping, and motorcycle trips. The stove is user-friendly with built-in igniters on each side, eliminating the need for matches. The removable rack simplifies cleaning, while its high-temperature resistant steel body ensures durability. With corrosion-resistant stainless steel burners, the Cofiyard Camp Stove is a reliable and long-lasting addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Number 4. Winkiza Camp Stove. The Winkiza camp stove is designed for those who love taking their cooking experience outdoors. This portable stove is foldable, measuring just 9.45 by 8.27 by 4.53 inches and weighing 9.48 pounds. The compact design, combined with a sturdy handle, ensures easy carrying and storage. Made from 304 stainless steel, it offers excellent durability, resisting rust, corrosion, and heat damage. Additionally, the stove features a high-quality drip tray, making cleaning quick and easy. Equipped with 2 burners, the Winkiza camp stove provides a total of 16,000 BTUs of cooking power, accommodating pans up to 8 inches in diameter. The burners are high-powered and sealed to ensure efficient performance. A push-button piezo ignition allows for effortless lighting, while the stepless adjustable heat control enables precise cooking adjustments. For safety and best performance, it's recommended to use cookware with a diameter of 4 to 8 inches. Oversized cookware may cause the stove to overheat, which could lead to damage. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just cooking outdoors, the Winkiza camp stove is a durable and convenient choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Naturehike 2 Burner Camp Stove for campers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The Naturehike 2 Burner Camp Stove provides a versatile and efficient cooking experience. Designed for convenience, this stove allows users to prepare a variety of foods simultaneously. You can cook eggs, burgers, or vegetables on the griddle while brewing coffee on the side burner. Whether you're tailgating or camping, this stove is built to handle a range of cooking tasks. The folding structure ensures quick and hassle-free setup. Major parts can be disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled effortlessly, making maintenance simple. With a compact and lightweight design, the stove folds down to a small handbag size, 10.6 inches by 8.5 inches by 5.1 inches, and weighs just 5.5 pounds, making it incredibly portable. Constructed with rust-resistant, heat-resistant 430 stainless steel, this stove is built to last. Each burner can support up to 11 pounds and is compatible with isobutane or mixed isobutane fuel canisters. The stepless adjustment system allows for precise temperature control, while the built-in piezo ignition ensures quick and easy lighting. The Naturehike 2 Burner Camp Stove is an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight yet powerful outdoor cooking solution. Its portability, ease of use, and durable construction make it a standout option for any camping trip. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.